Hey guys, this is Alrighty Then doing another video on the QuietSeries 300 Maytag. The handle broke right in here, so we're gonna go ahead and replace that. Alright, so we're gonna start by removing all the screws along the edge of the washer. And it's I think it's a T25 or T20, but it's a torque screw. So this is the handle, and there's really, once you take the screws off of the base, they come right out. So it looks like this pin broke here, but we're just going to replace it and it should go right back in. So we have to remove these two little clips. It's just sitting right here. The two screws that we're holding this in are the same ones that we're holding that. So we just have to disconnect it, and you didn't have to disconnect this, just kind of move it over like I did. See, I just lifted it up out of the way, and that's really it. Not much to it. It's really tight in there. So here's the old one, and here's the new one. Okay. So let's just plug the new one in. And that's it, really. Not much to it. Now you just put this right back in. Make sure the screws line up, and you're good to go. I'll start off with the two holding the handle. And you don't want to over tighten these, or else you'll strip the plastic underneath. That's it. So now I'm gonna put this back here and just finish the rest of the door. Okay. So when the handle is engaged, it's all the way down, and to open it, just lift, and that's it. When it locks, you know that it's in. This is the part number. For the Maytag QuietSeries 300. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.